So next topic that I am going to discuss is e-CRM. E-CRM is what? E-Customer Relationship Management. Okay. And this is topic of the subject web technology and e-commerce. The code for this subject is KMBIT-02. So these are some references that you may refer for further study. Okay, and I have seen these are some good research papers regarding this topic. So you may refer these research paper as well as rest fourth, fifth, and sixth are some good blogs about the topic. Okay, and first is your textbook. Okay, so you may refer these references for further study about the topic. So before going towards this e-CRM, we will discuss first what is CRM, and after that we will discuss about the e-CRM part. Okay. So what is CRM? Basically, customer relationship management is a way to identify, acquire, and retain customers. A business's greatest asset means basically you have heard about those cost focus era. Okay, so at that time, customer was not given so much regard or respect that we are giving in this era. Means in quality era, in customization era, in globalization era, customer is giving regard. Okay, so basically, customer relationship management is a way to tap your customer, to make a bonding with your customers. Okay, so is a way to identify, acquire, and retain customers. A business greatest asset means customer is a business's greatest asset. If there is no customer, you will be loser in business world. Okay, so by providing the means to manage and coordinate customer interactions, CRM helps companies maximize the value of every customer interaction and in turns improve corporate performance. Means you need to continuously taking care of your customers and continuously making a bond with your customers and always satisfy your customers with the help of various CRM activities, customer relationships management activity. Okay. Next is what is e-CRM. Nowadays, most of the transactions is doing through this e-commerce or online selling or online purchasing is there, online payment is there. So nowadays, companies are managing e-CRM. What is e-CRM? Means electronic CRM. Okay. So e-CRM or electronic CRM is an integrated online sales, marketing, and services strategy that is used to identify, attract, and retain an organization's customers. Okay. Earlier, when just e-commerce was introduced in Indian market, so lot many offline players have advertised that if you buy something online, you will not get warranty or guarantee of product. Okay, so you just buy product from offline mode. Okay, just to safeguard themselves. Okay, but online companies are also giving similar type of guarantee and warranty of the product, and as well as repair, as well as easy return from your doorstep. So such type of features they are providing through electronic mode basically. Okay, so it describes improved and increased communication between an organization and its clients by creating and enhancing customer interaction through innovative technology. Okay, so e-CRM software provides profiles and histories of each interaction the organization has with its customer, and making it an important tool for all small and medium businesses. Nowadays, companies are recording all the sales. Okay, and what you have purchases last time and what you are going to purchase, they may easily access it by accessing your transaction history. Okay, so they may offer you a good deal about the product that you are going to purchase. Okay, so that is basically possible just because of implementing this e-CRM part. Okay, so next difference between CRM versus e-CRM. So if you go through the what are the basic difference between CRM and e-CRM. So here are some few list of there. Okay, so first is this customer contacts. So in case of CRM, contacts with customer made through the retail store, phone, and fax. Okay, And in case of e-CRM, all the traditional methods are used in addition to internet, email, wireless, and PDAs, personal digital assistance technologies. Okay, so means technology is merged over there. Okay, so all the medium that we are using in offline mode is also there with some online tools and techniques. Okay, means internet, you are using internet nowadays, email, wireless, and PDH devices, etc. Okay, so these are the means ways of customer contact. Means not only in offline mode but in online mode you are dealing or you are tapping your customer. Okay, next is system interface. In case of system interface, CRM implements the use of ERP system. Emphasis is on the backend. Means you are using ERP, customized ERP or web-enabled ERP or cloud-based solutions to maintain the record or maintain the database of your customer. Okay, and after that when your customer visited your store again, you will get the details of your customers from there. Okay, so implements the use of ERP system, emphasis is on the back end. So at that time, if in case of earlier CRM, there was ERP system inbuilt in the organization, but nowadays geared more towards front end. Means ERP system is enhanced now, improved now with the help of web enabled ERP or cloud enabled ERP. Okay, which interacts with the backend through the use of ERP system, data warehouses, and data marts. Okay, so nowadays CRM has been improved to e-CRM in the field of system interface. Means ERP has been improved by web-enabled ERP or cloud-based ERP module, cloud-based automated or generic this ERP module are there nowadays. Okay, next is system overhead, means client's computer. Okay, so CRM part, the client must download various applications to view the web-enabled applications, and they would have to rewritten for different platform. Like every time while you dealing in offline mode, you need to fill the form. Okay, but in case of e-CRM does not have these requirements because the client uses the browser, and browser, all of your detail is auto saved over there. Okay, you may log in through your Gmail account or Facebook account and all the details are here, so you do not need to write it again or fill the request again. So that is means system overhead is means lesser than this type of e-CRM in comparison to that CRM. Is in CRM you are every time you need to fill all those details in multiple times basically. But in case of e-CRM, while using e-CRM, you need to just log in and then you can avail the service or offer. Okay, given by your company, given by your products company. Okay, products organization. Next is customization and personalization of information. Okay, so in case of CRM, views differ based on audience, and personalized view are not available, and individual personalization require program changes. Okay, so in case of CRM, this is there. Now, in case of e-CRM, personalized individual view based on purchase history and preferences. Individual has ability to customize view. Nowadays you can rate the product, rank the product, or write something about the product. If you have if you like the product or if you dislike the product, you can write over there. So that is basically customization. And even customization and personalization in terms of this facility or services. Okay, like in case of Swiggy and Zomato, you can put your means food uh, means if you want to alter or you want to change or you want to update some order, then you may do that. Okay, but in case of simply CRM, that was not possible. Okay, means customization and personalization was not possible, but in case of this e-CRM, this is possible nowadays. Okay, by by facilitating this online type of shopping. Okay, Next is system focus. What is system focus? Basically, system is a combination of input, process, and output. Okay, so CRM system created for internal use, designed based on job function and products, and web application designed for single department or business unit. Okay, so at that time, if you talk about CRM, so it was a part of marketing activity, means you need to taken care of customers. Okay, rest of the departments are not involved such type of activity. But nowadays in eCRM system created for external use, designed based on customer needs, web applications designed for enterprise wide use, means it is not a responsibility of a sole single department, marketing department. It is responsibility of entire organization, entire system. Okay, so that is system focus, much more towards system focus. eCRM is in comparison to that CRM applications. Okay, next is system maintenance and modifications. If you talk about system maintenance and modifications, CRM, more time involved in implementation, and maintenance is more expensive because the system exists at different locations and on various servers. Okay, but in case of eCRM, reduction in time and cost, implementation and maintenance can take place at one location and on one server. Means nowadays we are using cloud enabled solutions, and in cloud enabled solutions you can easily put all the data at one place and in one server. Okay, and at earlier scenario, if you talk about CRM, if you are operating in different location, then you need to maintain the data of that location, the data of customers of that location in that place only. Okay, so that was the limitation at that time. But nowadays you can means put all the data in one place by using the cloud computing. Means you can maintain, like if you have consumed a product today at MACD at Delhi, and next day you flight and go to the Calcutta, and you are going to again going to MACD and ordered the same one that you have ordered yesterday. Okay, so they will access your order, and they will process your order. Okay, so that is possible just because of this type of, means putting all the data in one server or in one location. Okay, so these are some plus point associated with eCRM. Okay, just a moment. Now, Web 2.0 is advancing eCRM. Means Web 2.0, also known as participative or participatory and social web. Okay, means Web 2.0 is what? Social web refers to the website that emphasized user-generated content, ease of use, participatory culture, and interoperability, means compatible with other product system and devices for end user. Nowadays customer is your salesperson just because of using this social web. Okay, means if your product is having worth or quality, it will automatically promoted by your customer, okay, to the other customers. So basically this is possible just because of implementing Web 2.0 in eCRM. Okay, so nowadays customers are promoting your product, like through reviews or through comments or through promoting through their social media. Okay, so they are promoting. These customers are nowadays salesperson of your company, brand ambassador of your company. Okay, so the internet is advancing eCRM. It provides features that are attractive to customer and business organization. For example, many eCRM systems provide the customer with a self-service browser-based window to place order, check order status, review purchase history, request additional information about the product, and send email and engage in a host of other activity. Like nowadays, if you want to purchase anything, you will simply search on Google and you will get the product and the dropshipper or that e-commerce portal, and after that you click over there and you will get all the information. You can put it into your cart, and simply make the payment. And after that, for further use, if you want to get your bill or some purchase history, then you can get it by browsing it in the same way. Okay, so this is possible just because of implementing this e-CRM. Means all the details are there on the server of that e-commerce portal. Okay, so these capabilities provide customer with freedom in terms of place and time. Means nowadays you are free towards shopping at any time. Means if you are working, okay, so from morning 8 to till evening 8, then after if you want to purchase anything, you can purchase, okay, simply by logging into the e-commerce portal. Okay, so that type of freedom is there now using through this online mode or e-commerce or this online purchasing. Okay, just a minute. So further, the customer no longer is limited to contacting an organization during regular business hour. As I have told earlier, means you can buy or you can purchase 24 cross 7, and organization does not have to provide a live contact on the other end for customer inquiries and request. Means a lot many chatbots are there that are operational 24 cross 7, and if you have certain automated query, then they may resolve it quickly in fraction of seconds. Okay, so that is possible just because of implementing this web 2.0. Okay, CRM applications are designed around products and job functions. The applications are designed for corporate department or the individual employees to access their customer related intelligence and to provide customer service more effectively. Okay, so in e-CRM, on the other hand, all applications are designed for the entire enterprise, including all customers, suppliers, and partners. Means you can, as I have told earlier, that you should have a system-wide view of your means organization. Means all the departments are equally responsible for this e-CRM related activities. Okay. So applications of e-CRM, these are some list of research that have been done in this field. Okay, so these are some research outcomes like San and Lee in 2003 mentioned that the application in this e-CRM point of view. So direct mail is there, email was there, internet was there, phone and fax and contact management. Means outbound, inbound, sales force and service. What is outbound and inbound? Outbound is basically associated with manufacturer to end customer, and inbound is basically related with supplier to manufacturer part. Okay, next is Romano et al in 2004 mentioned in his research that this et al is basically means he is having more than two authors. Okay, so the applications of e-CRM was there, chat rooms, bulletin board and fan clubs, mailing list are there, news groups are there, observation studies through virtual reality and simulated environment are there, product related discussion groups and list are there, forums are there, internet surveys, recommender software are there, emails, online focus group are there, interactive online interviews are there, survey panels, auctions, online trade shows, and shopping agents. So these are some list of research agenda or research applications of ERM that have been found by different types of researchers. Okay. Another list is this Khalifa and Sen in 2005. They have mentioned online surveys in his in their research. Okay, Kennedy 2006. So companies using web-based CRM, KPN Mobile, NV, a civic program for very important customer CRM implementation. Details of customer history on agents monitor, including contact detail, mobile calls, and service behavior. It also updates about campaign going online and various privileges were being offered. Okay, and similarly, they have mentioned about this ESB International example of ESB International. So they have mentioned these three case studies. Okay, means companies they are using web-enabled ERP. So they have discussed the case of KPN Mobile and ESB International and Nestle. Okay, so ESB International developed and updated customer profile through e-CRM system. All customer issue are being tracked and monitored. Matrices emerging from e-CRM system focus on issues and success rate in doing business for measuring repeat business. Okay, so they have mentioned the case of ESB International, and next case they have mentioned are actually Kennedy. Simply one author means he has mentioned Nestle. Case of Nestle means the Nescafe brand launches Nespresso, one of the web-based CRM system, takes the advantage of rewarding frequent drinkers to support customer loyalty and retention program. So he have mentioned three cases of KPN Mobile, ESB International, and Nestle in support with the web-enabled CRM. Okay, next research study is of Ahuja and Maduri. They have mentioned in 2010 organizations using corporate blocks, okay, and application of corporate blocks in ECRM application. Okay, next research is on this Ahuja and Madri again. I think this is same as the previous one. Next is Sigala 2011. This is also single researcher. So he or she has mentioned this eCRM 2.0 strategies trains at exploring both networking and social customer intelligence. Next research is of Faruqi and Dhusia. So using telephone contact for internet, email, wireless, mobile, and PDAs, personal digital assistance technologies. Okay, so they have mentioned the application of telephone contacts for internet, email, wireless, mobiles, and PDAs. Okay, next is Adeline et al. They have mentioned about this chatbots. What is chatbot? A computer program used for conversation through auditory and textual method. Okay, similarly virtual application of virtual customer means online handling customers. And next, interactive voice response, jo we are using IVR system nowadays, an automated telephony system which is capable of calling and is relevant to appropriate destination as well as interacts with callers, like nowadays in COVID-19 pandemic scenario. Most of the companies are offering IVR based responses in their call center. Okay, means if you are having some automated type of query, then they may deal it. Otherwise, they will transfer call to the sales representative or executive. Okay, so voice over internet protocol, the VoIP does transmission of multimedia and voice content over internet protocol network. So these are some applications that have discussed by Adeline in 2019. So these are some good research paper that you may refer for further study about the topic eCRM. Okay, so thank you. And first is your textbook, second and third are some good research paper that you may refer, and fourth, fifth, and sixth are some good blogs that you may refer for further study. Okay, so thank you.